Welcome! My name is Florian Jut and I'm a product manager for bending machines at our development and production site in Austria. In the last 4 years, I've been busy configuring automated bending solutions for customers all over the world. Today, it's a great pleasure for me to show you our fully automated TruBend Cell 5000. To be more precise, how can we bend this smaller part and this bigger part in our automated bending cell without a lot of non-productive tasks like programming or setup jobs? Let's have a look on a normal production procedure. What does it look like? First, there is an idea, for example here, how a part should look like. Afterwards, designers will optimize a part and you get a 3D model as it is here, with all necessary inner and outer contours. Usually, bending programs are created in an office, but with our bending program, TruBend, we can create programs directly on the shop floor. Oh, hello, Thomas.
Hello, Florian.
What do we need to create a bending program?
That's easy. I'll show you how quickly a bending program is created. With our programming software TruBend, it's really simple and quick to generate a program. You open the parts drawing and even other part drawings needed for the production. Next, the programming for the bend master as well as for the bending machine is generated automatically. When clicking on the button Replay, the program for all other parts are also generated within seconds. If needed, you can modify the loading stack or the unloading stack positions at any time. You can also determine how many parts are to be stacked on the top of each other or how much space you want between parts and so on. With a click, we then send the program to the machine.
Great, thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we see it's possible to save time when it comes to programming.
I think it's time to start the production.
Yes, please do so. Now we will see our two parts bended in our cell. The blanks are already inside the cell. It now identifies the position of the first blank on the loading stack. Thanks to the camera, we do not need a centering station for the gripper to grip the part correctly. Also, the weight measurement and separation of sheets guarantee a process-reliable operation. Now, the bending process already started. Using the re-gripping station, the bend master is able to change its grip on the part in order to perform bends on the other side of the parts. With the sensoric backgauge fingers, we ensure the required accuracy in each bending step. The bend master and its floor track are the heart of the TruBend Cell 5000. In this cell, we have a Bend Master 60. It can handle parts up to a weight of 40 kilograms and with a size of 2000 by 1000 millimeters. The track length can vary from 6 to 14 meters. It's also possible to regrip meanwhile the bending process, as we see right now. What's special about this cell is that it combines an automated bending process with angle measurement for perfect angles. Some of you might have noticed that we use our angle measurement system ACB wireless in this cell, just like we do on our manual machines. The tool segment with the blue light is the ACB wireless tool. The part now is finished and placed onto the pallet. Now we can start with the second part, with the smaller one. The bandmaster automatically changes the gripper. The head of the bandmaster has a pneumatic gripper coupling, which enables an automatic gripper change, depending on the parts to be bent. The gripper change module can store several different gripper types. On the mechanical gripper of the bandmaster, the part is already prepared. The bandmaster took the part from the sheet removal station. Also here we have installed a sensor to measure the thickness of the part. The first small plank is picked up by vacuum suction cups. Then the bandmaster uses the mechanical gripper to pick it up. Meanwhile, the toolmaster automatically started with the tool change to get the tooling onto the press for the second part. Therefore, our TruBend Cell 5000 with Toolmaster eliminates manual tool changes performed by operators, especially in case of small lot sizes and night or weekend shifts. That's a big benefit. The press beam moved up and the Toolmaster is now connected to the machines via rails. The upper and lower Toolmaster manipulators now retrieve tools from the machine. The rotation unit with the Toolmaster moves the tools into the tool changer, where further manipulators put them into stock, whilst getting the needed tools out of the stock at the same time. Depending on the tool type, the Toolmaster needs about 10 seconds to change one segment. So, within minutes, the entire set of bending tools needed for the next order are set up. If you usually need around 10 or 15 minutes for a tool change with one operator, now the whole process can be automated in just 1 to 3 minutes. Now there is just one small segment missing. Nice. The tool change now is completed. Afterwards, the bandmaster starts to bend the part. We see again the nice tracking process of the bandmaster at negative and also at positive bends to guarantee the right accuracy. The mechanical gripper is equipped with a linear axis and a rotation axis for highest flexibility in each situation. Again, we are using the ACB for angle measurement. Now the part is finished and we place it on the conveyor belt. Here the part will be unloaded in a row on the belt to save space. We could also unload the part into a box. Well, the production job is done. The parts on the pallet move out automatically. And with a forklift, the pallet can be removed and a new one can be placed. At the end, let's not forget the storage connection. So here, unfortunately, we do not have one, but connecting the TruBend cell with a storage automates the whole loading process of the material. On the other side, in addition, the TruBend cell can be linked to TruTop's fab for ideal transparency across the entire production. So, Industry 4.0 with the Toolmaster and integrated in the TruBend cell. Thank you for your attention. It was a great pleasure to present you a part of our automated bending solutions.